Hello, right now we are at Dreamcatcher by the Canopy Walk in El Nido. We just crossed this bridge
From
right
Snapchat?
here, me and Angie Lou. We're having a good time. As you can see, it's very dangerous, but we're wearing a harness right now, as you can see. So we just walked across. I told Angie don't look down because she's scared of heights, but I'm not. She held my hand for a few minutes, and then I thought that wasn't really a good idea. So she let go of my hand and she just held like the ropes and she walked across. And so I told her don't look down, and she made it. We're here now, like on the side of the bridge. Yeah. So now we're gonna continue and keep climbing up until we hit our destination point.
Yeah, challenge. This is challenge. Thank you.
Welcome.
Go ahead, say hi.
Oh, that's a photographer spot only, sir. Their spot, that's a photographer over there. Okay, just some.
Guys, namin sa overlooking ka ngayon, namin sa taas, makahadlo. At guys,